This is Diesel Demings, the cutest puppy in the world. Going for his swim. Come here, good job. Good job, Diesel. Come on in. Come on in. Good job. Good job. As you can see, he is not afraid. He is loving every minute of this. Hi. Not trying to get out of the water, actually very eager to get back in. Love seeing that. That's a good boy. Wanna come in? Good job. Good job. Got the life vest on to give him a little confidence as he gets his bearings. But won't need that for long. Good job, buddy. Good job.